One.
Cool, look guys, this is a pretty cool level. And I can get the third coin. Like, I know it's pretty risky, but I'ma do it. I do it every time I play pool, guys. It introduces these little orbs that you jump on. They're high-tech orbs that can push you up if you click on them. This part's very easy. You can just snatch the coin by just going up. The third coin, you have to pretend that you're doing a triple spike. A pretend triple spike.
Alright, let's get it on. I don't know.
I got the coin. Cha-ching. Let's get our switch afterwards.
I don't think they have any switches right now.
Oh man.
Oh,
I've done it before. How do I mess up?
Attempt number 2. She made it 77%, huh?
Well, like everybody thinks it's hard. Like, I understand why. It takes some measuring.
Well, you're about 50%.
So don't hit the blocks. I don't know why, but the blocks kill you. In practice mode, they don't kill you. They're harmless. I mean, no. In platformer mode, they're harmless. Like, but since in normal mode, you pretty much can't stop moving.
Ah, boo! Alright, come on.